Good morning, guys. Huh?
Good morning.
Typical morning routine, workout. But yeah, this is typical too. I'm always picking Aki. But I'm surprised that some Aki open up from at this time of the year. So pick some Aki, and I guess that's gonna be the breakfast for today and tomorrow. A long time I don't eat from fried dumpling, some homemade fried dumpling. No, that one is not ready yet, buddy. That one, it has to be open. Come over this side, let me show you. Come.
I see one open.
You see one?
Yeah,
I think
there.
you can reach the, oh, you can reach the one.
Daddy, look. That one is open.
Okay.
That one. That one is open.
Okay, I'm gonna pick them for you,
And
okay?
that one.
I'm gonna pick them for you.
And that one.
Okay.
Yeah! Hey, where's my auntie? Where's my auntie?
No, mommy, don't put it over there. Okay. Put them right here. So we can put them in the garbage.
Where's my auntie?
Hmm?
Where's my auntie?
Actually, don't listen.
I love my auntie. Oh, buddy, go for tayo. Ah! Where's the auntie? Daddy, where's the auntie?
Let's see.
Huh?
Let's see.
Ay, yo. Ay, yo. I want to pick up some auntie. You leave?
What? You jump in the head.
Daddy, walk. Daddy, walk.
What?
Daddy, walk.
Oh, you got two?
Yeah, that's true. Daddy, help me. I need help. Thank you. I got three. Oh, Papi, go on the climb. One. Oh, Daddy, I got three.
Look at this one. Oh, careful.
Oh, what you? Daddy, this one is a little open.
Yeah. Hmm?
I can see Aki crossing.
I even see someone on the ground.
See, I have good eyes.
Yeah, that's the one there.
I have good eyes, Daddy. Daddy, that me and Daddy have good eyes. I was looking at Amik and then I saw Amik pick up Aki and then I saw it too.
What about that one? That one right there.
Ay! My jump out! Ow.
How much Aki I got? Wow.
We got 1,100 of them.
How many?
1,100.
1,100?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look what we got.
And you and Amika alone open all of those?
Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Man, I didn't even help you. Today you guys did great. You
You're
boys
proud
did
of us?
great today.
You proud of us?
Yes, I'm very proud of you.
Daddy, you see some more Akis up there?
You see more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pick them. What you say? We're supposed to get more subscribers?
Yeah, we got more subscribers for you.
Yeah.
We got more subscribers. Hi guys. Me picking up some Akis. We got hundreds, thousands of them, but we have to pick some more. So if you're watching this video, like and subscribe to the Powells. Talent. The talent of us is picking up Aki. The talent that other good what $100 Stop copying me more than saying. But I don't know.
It's the one that I just picked the one that you showed me. Look.
No.
I'm not sampling, you know.
So
You don't need to argue.
So we're picking up some Aki. Yeah. So I'm putting them in a garbage. I'm putting them in here. And we're getting some new subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're watching, so So if you're watching us on TV, like and subscribe to the comment the Powells.
Amik watch so much YouTube, like I don't have to tell him what to do. I don't tell him anything, you know. He's saying all this on his own. So that's all I do every day, watch YouTube. So he knows better than I do.
I think
You can manage, or you want both of you can carry it?
yeah.
Okay.
And I can feel the power. Ah. You have to keep going as that.
Grandma is gonna open all of these, Aki?
Yeah. Grandma is.
Oh, champion, mommy.
Why am I a champion, mommy? Why?
Because you're my champion.
Oh, guys.
So mommy can open them here. And then we cook them.
Rough one. Rough week. Yeah.
Having a cereal, buddy. You're gonna get muscles. Let me see your muscles.
I'm eating my cereal.
Wow. This is not real. Is that a real muscle?
Yeah.
What? This is not real. One egg for me today. Guys, then break the eggs. Then can break the eggs, you see. Hello. Hello, Magnificent 7. That's the name, guys, the Magnificent 7. But they only give me one egg today. Well, I'm gonna check back in a short bit. You can see a wet spot there, then break egg. And break the eggs. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook and babysit at the same time. You see him?
Oh my goodness. Figure it out. Women do it all the time.
No, sir, no.
Right? Right?
As in?
Oh, that's a cute picture. How he's resting on you.
That's it. What's up, buddy?
Said, Daddy got me sick.
No.
Why do we always have to see her breathe? All the time.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
So this is him cooking with a baby. This is the cooking he's doing, guys.
Yeah.
That's the cooking, warming up stuff.
I'm the best chef in the house. I'm the fastest chef too. If you want food in 2 minutes, you get it. Right?
Oh my dear. That's the cooking, as in the cooking is warming up stuff.
Guess what? I may get better because I still put him last night.
Yeah, so do it again today.
Oh, you're not baby and I can't lift you up.
Boys, guess what?
My baby.
We're
Is
not
your
getting
baby?
into this habit. You see how Daddy went to go bathe?
Is your baby?
Let's go, babe.
They're not baby. I'm thinking that them not baby.
You never told them to bathe.
As if tell the brother go bathe. Let them work out and don't bathe it. As if go bathe behind your brother. And you pick Aki and all that stuff.
Exactly. Yeah. I think this is your baby, you said? Let's go.
What?
My baby.
You're a baby?
Yeah.
You can't make baby?
Yeah. Yeah.
You think it's a toy? You think your brother's a toy about your baby?
My baby.
You love your brother?
Give me my baby. Give me my baby.
My food is yummy. My food is yummy, buddy. Daddy eating yummy food. You want some? You want some? Your brother's making noise. You're on this guy.
Here's the red car.
Okay, I mean, don't put it over him. Accidentally fall on him. What are you shopping for?
Apples. Big blue sorrels have.
Sorry?
I got
No, no,
this.
sorry. Like son? Come, your mama moving. Come drive your trolley. Big chefins are going.
Literally was wondering why it was so dark in here.
Big chefins are going. Everything I cook.
Literally.
Everything I cook.
So that I don't have to cook for the rest of the week.
I just make one cook for the week.
Yeah, doing ribs. Then I'm gonna do a little beef stew. And then I'm doing aki as well. Then my mom's doing wache, which is our version of rice and peas. So we have to cook down the meat to do the stew. So we're doing that now, and this is the black eyed peas for wache, which is what?
Rice and peas.
Yeah. And then breakfast stuff. Just make that. I don't want anyone to bother me. So when you go and you stress out my kids with workouts, when they come off, you feed them.
My food feeds, okay. I'm gonna make myself a drink. You jealous?
Not really. Not really. I'm getting better.
I get better now.
Yep.
A little bar. Passion fruit. Jealous, babe?
As soon as baby wakes up, you're on baby duty.
I'm okay with that.
You're okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. What is this mix? But you don't have the lychee in there.
Passion fruit.
Oh, no, my lychee drink was different. It was with the gin. I cannot deal with him. Every day we're seeing his grief. Every day. Every blessed day. Look, because of him, look how the boys are. They're trying to show off their muscles.
So them showing off muscles. Mommy and her grandson look like I'm ready to wake up, money.
We are chilling.
I'm chilling.
We are chilling here. We are chilling. Oh,
You drink water? Water nice?
babe.
Dinner time. I go play with I jump in a trampoline with the boys. No, that the whole hour no play mash up now.
Huh?
I'm coming there.
Oh no!
Body mash up.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Whoa.
Jesus Christ.
Whoa. Aye.
Wow! That's what you get! Wow! It's coming right!
Jump. I'm tired.
Let's try again.
Eh? I'm tired. You can't have a break.
Yeah. One more time. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
That's a jump higher.
Whoa! Oh, I broke my bone.
Boy.
Ow!
Ah.
And you break up a trampoline.
No, sir, I'm tired.
You're going to break up a
I'm too
trampoline.
tired, man.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'm coming and you jump.
It's the end of the day. Thanks for spending the day with us, guys. Another chill day here at the Powell's house. You know, go through our regular routine. You know, the wife love to cook. I love to work on cars, work around the house and all that stuff. I know the kids love to make noise and play. So, another chill day. You know, the food shot. My wife can cook. You know, wife, why don't my restaurant, man? Sure. Alright, well, she have a restaurant in the kitchen and everything. This is our restaurant. Personal restaurant. Alright, my guys, thank you for watching and season, the best season greetings for you guys. I don't know if you guys are going to see this video in the new year, but yeah, maybe the new year you guys will see this video. Or maybe
Happy New Year.
Yeah, so Happy New Year.
The best in the upcoming year. We hope it's a great one.
You have a baby? May I give you a baby?
Huh?
May I give you a baby?
No more baby.
I gave you a baby. So, yeah, I give her a baby, guys. Somebody say, yo, I saw Alicia make nice, clean babies. Thanks for all the compliments, though, guys. And big up on yourself. You know what I mean? We have some very energetic boys.
Oh my god!
Eat all the
Good
food.
job. Go put it in the
Let me see your muscles again.
Careful,
Come,
careful,
show me. Oi, careful. Show me muscles one more time. Man, you're the muscle man. Wow. Wow. All right, my guy.
Carefully take it.
Okay, my guy. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I say again, another chill video. A day with the Powells. A day in the life of the Powells.